Good morning, class. Today we are doing the parts of a leaf. So here you can see on the blackboard I have drawn the structure of a leaf. So as you know that leaves are also known as food factory of the plant. Food that the leaves make sustain all animal life on the land. And you know that leaves are of different types, different in size, shape and color. So first of all, we will learn about lamina. So as you can see here and on the blackboard that I have drawn the lamina. What is lamina? Lamina is the flat green blade-like part of a leaf. I am showing you the lamina here. This is the leaf and this part, the flat green portion, you can see the lamina. Lamina is what? Lamina is the flat green blade-like part of a leaf. So this part is known as lamina and it is attached to the stem. You can see that with a short stalk. You can see the stalk also. This is known as petiole. So this short stalk is known as petiole. I am showing you on the board also. I have drawn the petiole. So what is a petiole? Lamina is attached to the stem with a short stalk called the petiole. Now, when you look closely at a leaf, now see, when you will look closely at a leaf, you will notice numerous lines on it. You can see numerous lines. You can see many lines on it. So these lines are known as veins. And the thick vein, you can see here the thick vein at the mid. You can see the thick vein at the mid. So this this thick vein present in the middle of the leaf is known as midrib. This thick main vein, this is known as midrib. And the veins help in the movement of food, water and minerals in the leaf. I am showing you on board also. You can see the location of midrib. So what is midrib? Midrib is the thick vein in the middle of the leaf. Now, after this, we will learn about venation. So venation, what is venation? Arrangement of veins on the leaf. So you can see the numerous lines on the leaf. This is known as venation. So in plants with fibrous root. So you know about fibrous root also we have studied in the last video. So suppose the fibrous roots plant, they have the veins on the leaves run parallel to each other. I am showing you on the book here. You can see the veins on the leaves run parallel to each other. So this type of venation is known as parallel venation. I have drawn on board also. You can see the parallel venation. Okay. So now if we are talking about the reticulate venation. So what is reticulate venation? In plant with taproot. The plants with taproot, the veins on the leaves form a net-like design. This pattern is known as reticulate venation. I am showing you the reticulate venation on the leaf also. You can see here that here is the net-like pattern, net-like design on the leaf. So this is known as reticulate venation. So this was regarding the part of a leaf. Thank you.